So guys, nakarating na kami dito ngayon sa Agno Abagatanen Beach. So, papakita na namin sa inyo.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Fada. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die, yeah. Did it die. Did it die. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire.
So guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating video at sana nagustuhan nyo at naging excited sa inyo ang video yung ginawa ko at sa yung motovlog. So sa susunod ulit natin paggawa ng video, sana manood kayo ulit at yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, subscribe na, then click yung bell para meron kayong laging update, then huwag kalimutan mag-share and like sa iMotovlog or Immortal Vlog. Saka sa page ko sa Facebook nga pala, huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-like. Sa mga viewers ko, maraming salamat nga pala sa mga nag-subscribe. Susunod ulit nating pagkikita. Bye-bye!
Bote na lang, may aso tagalinis.
May katulong si nanay. Buti na lang.
Kuha tayo mangga? Oo naman, kulang.
Ayun ang dami oh. Yan.
Ganito. Ganito. Oo, ganyan, sarap.